First off, I wish everyone a very happy Eid ul Adha. Whenever an animal is bought for slaughter on Eid ul Adha, it is usually based on the price of the animal or on the taste of the animal, whether you like mutton or beef or whatever else. I am here to tell you that whenever you go out to buy your animal, look for two things. One, it is grass fed. Secondly, it is organic. No hormones have been used to make it more muscular. That is very important. Plus, the omega 6 to omega 3 ratio of the meat should be less than 4:1. This is the latest recommendation regarding meat. Meat is one of the best sources of all the vitamins and it should be taken as a health food provided that it is not loaded with hormones or antibiotics or any other chemicals or toxins. So today I'll give you a recipe which is fast, quick and really tasty. You have to try it. My sincere wishes to all the Muslims around the world for this Eid ul-Adha. So we'll start with the recipe right after the intro. Assalamualaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma Mahmood and I am making this kadai with store-bought cube cut boneless camel meat, but you should be making it with your own Zabiha camel inshallah. The thing is, among the meats, the least likely to be injected with hormones are usually camel meat or goat or lamb. These meats are usually not hormone infested or loaded with toxins. The meat of the cow or beef is usually injected with hormones and the cows are usually fed with hormone infested, grain infested feeds to make them gain weight. Anyway, the first step of making this kadai is to add half a cup of desi ghee in your pressure cooker. Now add about 10 green chilies and 1 teaspoon of clove pods. That is about 20 to 30 cloves. Now add all of your washed and cut camel meat cubes and add a tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of ginger paste and a tablespoon of cumin. Fry this meat for about 4 to 5 minutes or till it gets this golden brown color. Now add these spices: a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. All these spices are easily available in any desi store. Now add 2 cups of water and add about 2 cups of chopped onions. These are about 2 large onions. If you are following keto diet, don't add these onions, add spring onions instead. Okay, now add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, that is about 3 to 4 medium sized tomatoes. Now pressure cook it for about 45 minutes or till the meat is 70% done. Now take out everything from the pressure cooker, the broth, the meat, everything into a kadai. Guys, you cannot cook this dish in a fry pan or a saucepan. This is a camel kadai and it needs to be cooked in a kadai. So no matter from where you get it, get a kadai, pour all the contents of the pressure cooker in and add these spices. A teaspoon of red chili flakes, a teaspoon of garam masala powder and a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add a cup of well beaten yogurt. This kadai is going to be really tangy. With the yogurt and the tomatoes combined, cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes till the gravy thickens. You can see the beautiful color. Now before dishing out, you have to garnish it. I have garnished it with some ginger julienne, with some coriander leaves from my own garden and some green chilies. In fact, a lot of green chilies. I love green chilies. I'm a really spice loving person. You can increase or decrease spices as you like. Anyhow, congratulations, your camel kadai is now ready to be served. You can have it with naan, with your chapati or even with rice. But I would recommend not to eat it with such carbohydrate laden things like bread or chapati or rice. I would say take it like me. I have some peanut chutney over here. I have some mango pickle with me. You can have any probiotic with your camel kadai. In fact, I have made 1-minute recipes of mango pickles, of kimchi, of sauerkraut. These probiotics will not only help you absorb all the nutrients of your meat, they'll also help prevent any toxic damage which your meat might do to you. So anyway, as you can see, I have taken it with my peanut chutney and my vegetables and I'm enjoying it. There is absolutely no need of having a naan or rice with this camel kadai. It is a standalone dish and it is really delicious. If you want 1 minute video recipes of all these wonderful probiotics, or if you want to lose weight or control diabetes with diet alone, subscribe to our channel and you will get tons of recipes which are not only quick and delicious, they'll also help you maintain your weight and control diabetes. As we have seen, this is a wonderfully tasty and quick recipe. Hope you enjoy your Eid ul Adha. Till we meet next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.